Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. As you can see, we've got 4 chickens in there, 4 roast chickens. I've had lots and lots of messages from you guys about roasting the chicken. So I thought I'd just do 4 today. Just a few ideas, 4 different ideas on how to do it. We've got like a kind of spicy curried one. We've got one with pesto and garlic. We've got one with paprika and thyme. And we've got one with butter and garlic. Lots and lots of ways you can do this. You can, shove a lemon in the middle, up to you, different types of herbs. I'm just going to do these 4 just to show you how it works really. So super easy, let's get on with it. Okay, let's get started by looking at our chickens. So 4 chickens, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each chicken is 1 kg, so they're not huge, massive chickens. Now what we're going to do is we're going to season all 4 of them in a different way. Now first of all, what I've done is I've cut the parson's nose, or the bum, off basically, and I've trimmed a little bit of the fat from them, and I've washed them. I've got them in cold water. I've put my hand inside and scraped around and cleaned them. There's a school of thought that says you should never wash chicken. That's up to you. I've just washed mine. So let's get on with them. We'll start off with one, and we're going to pop all 4 of them in the oven in the same tray. And yeah, just to help you guys along with a few little flavors really. Let's go on with it. So let's get started with our first one. What I'm going to do is I've got half a white onion, which I'm going to pop into the cavity, along with 3 cloves of roughly chopped garlic. Sticking stuff in the cavity always gives it a beautiful flavour from within, obviously. And then with this one, what we're going to do is we're going to get black pepper, salt, paprika, I'm using a regular paprika, sweet paprika. Let's turn that over and do the same on the other side. Yeah, be careful with paprika because you get 3 types: smoked, which is really delicious; hot, which is basically chili powder; and the sweet one, which is what I'm using there, which is a kind of regular. So be careful not to use the really hot one because it basically is just chili powder. And then just let's get it in there, massage it in and around. Now I'm going to grab some olive oil. Just get that little rub on there. Turn it over a little bit more oil. Okay, and that's chicken number 1 done, ready for the oven. That's a really simple paprika with a nice bit of garlic in there. Lovely. Let's move on. Okay, so chicken number 2, we're going to give it more of a kind of Indian flavour. I've got a nice handful here of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Let's pop that in, along with some cinnamon stick. And we're going to get in here now some cumin seeds. In there you go. I'm also going to add some black peppercorns in there. And then what I've got here, some more garlic, like 3 cloves of garlic. In that goes. And I've got some ginger, fresh ginger, cut like that. Again, in it goes there. Push it in. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go salt. The salt helps the skin get nice and crispy. We're going to go black pepper, not as much as the last one. Then I've got a lovely homemade curry powder here. Really delicious. Pop that on, flip it over. Little bit of vegetable or corn oil. Massage that round. Turn her over. Bit more oil on there. Little rub around. And that's a beauty. Another simple chicken ready for the oven. We're doing well. Okay, so with this one, what we're going to do is we're going to get some garlic and butter on this one. Now, if you get your hands, get your fingers underneath the skin there and work it around, you'll find two pockets right in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab some garlic. I've cut it quite thin. I need to pop that in and push it in. Same on the other side of the breast. And that goes. So that's underneath the skin there now. Then we're going to just grab some butter. I'm going to do the same there. And get as much or as little butter in as you like. And obviously as the heat goes through, that's really going to give it a lovely flavour and keep those breasts nice and moist. We're going to grab a little bit more garlic and we're going to pop it into the cavity along with a nice big piece of butter. I'm then going to season this with some dried thyme. Get some in there, flip her over, backside as well. Plenty of pepper, plenty of salt. A little drizzle of olive oil for luck. And now that one's ready. Super. So we'll do our last one now. I'm going to get some fresh tomato in there. Push that right in. Along with some black olives. I'm really trying to push this in there. Get it right in there for you. Then I'm going to go with some pesto. Drop that pesto sauce in there, nice green pesto. Some garlic, whole garlic. In that goes. Just need to wipe my hands for a second. Plenty of black pepper. Salt. Some dried oregano or oregano. Let's flip her over. Same again. Black pepper. Salt. Dried oregano or oregano, whatever you call that. Bit of olive oil. Bit of olive oil. We're done. So all four done. Let's get moving to the cooker. Okay, so I've got a roasting tin here, and as you can see, I've got all four of my chickens in. Of course, we're gonna get some cross flavoring happening here, but I presume you're probably going to be making one of these types as opposed to four. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. Right, they're in. They're going to go in the oven, preheated oven. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a list of weights and sizes to temperatures and cooking times in the text below. So they're going to go in. I'll see when it comes out. Okay, and there you go. 4 lovely roast chickens. You ready for some numbers? So 1 kg is about 2.2 pounds. So for every kg, and these are 1 kg each, you want to go 45 minutes plus 25 minutes. And you want to do that at an oven at C 200, an oven at F is about 390. Gas, if you've got a gas oven, that's gas 6, I think. And if you've got fan assisted ovens, it's just slightly less than that, you know, sort of, yeah, just slightly down. But they're the numbers for you. Everything's going to be left below anyway for you to check out. I hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Give us a thumbs up. We do like to hear from you as well. Leave a little message. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those 3 things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.